Yo, welcome back to another backtesting session, and we about to hop right into it. Ain't no talking for real. So 9:14. So fast forward to 9:29. Getting straight to it. Let me see. So we're in the range right now. So boom, mark out this high. Let me see. Let's see what we're doing. So boom. So we could get something like this. We can either go take out this high, get a pullback lower to continue going higher, or we could leave these highs, go take out this low, and then go back up to that high. But right now, it's looking like the obvious draw is higher. So hopping down to the 1 hour, bounced off of this hourly BISI. So that's what we're reacting off of this BISI right here. And then we also created a BISI in here. So, boom. I'm gonna mark this low out, a 15 minute. Yep, so I'm gonna mark this 15-minute low. Maybe 9:30 Judas swing lower and then push higher. But let's see, I'm about to play it out. Okay, so we went straight higher, so we're going straight for that draw on liquidity. Boom, that was hit. ES just a little bit behind, so I think in this next candle, this next candle ES took that high. So let's keep going. Okay, now zoom out to see if we took out any other highs. So zooming out, take out this high. Now zoom back in to see any internal highs we took out. No. Alright, so we let price print. We traded back inside of this 5-minute BISI. I'm watching this IFVG right now. So the reason I didn't take this is because this is not A++. Like, we can still push higher just due to us rebalancing this 5-minute BISI. So let me see. Let me mark out the CE of this. So this is more like just an A setup. IFVG, you could target the CE of that BISI. Let's see. Okay, I do like the reaction. Boom. Bounced off of the CE. Now, since I am bullish, let's look at ES. What is ES doing? ES took out that low. We have SMT at the lows right now. So since it's 9:53, I'm gonna wait for that 10 a.m. power 3. Let me see, what would be the for this one? Yeah, what would be that target? I'm gonna mark out this 15-minute. Marking out this 15. Yeah, this one, and this one. These are our potential, our potential next targets that we can go where we can go. So boom. Okay. Mark that out. I do like that reaction off the CE, and I am watching this IFVG right here. So no closure just yet. We didn't confirm anything. We didn't confirm it yet. Okay, boom. 10 a.m. open. Okay, Chop City. I do like this reaction though. Okay, so okay, I see it. So boom, hey, hit our first target. Okay, so it's already 11 o'clock, so I would have been off this right now. So I do see a setup though. So we had this SMT and then this order block, this 948 order block. Look at how it gets respected. We confirm it with the candle closure above, and every time price wick back into it, not a single body closure below. So the reaction that we're getting over here is just beautiful. But let's see if the RR would have been there. So boom, I think it would have been there for sure. Okay, it would have been close. It would have been close. Not quite a 2R, but 1.8. 1.8. Okay, that's decent. I would have taken it. Let me see. This is more like this is also another A setup. It's not A plus, but it's an A setup. Like just because of the reaction that we're getting off of the CISD candle. So for Monday, this is not bad. I'm kind of expect something like that for Monday. Not the cleanest, but hey, our draw is correct. Boom. If you can determine where price is going, the entry is the easy part. So right now we're clearly bearish. Our next target would be this low right here. Relative equal lows. We have all of this liquidity down here, so let's see what we do with that. And we're trading inside of this 15-minute BISI on ES. Let me see any higher time frame. 4 hour on a 4 hour. Yep, we're reacting off of this 4 hour BISI. Boom. And on NQ, we traded inside of this one, but ES hasn't yet. So we have a SMT at the lows. But let's 9:30 open. Straight to that PDRA. Boom. Okay. Can we get a 9:30 Judas? Okay. Boom. 9:40, still nothing yet. 15 minute, boom. So boom, our next target, this 15-minute low. Let me see, do we have a 5-minute low? Okay, nope, so that's our next target, potential next target if price wants to continue trading lower. Still, yep. Okay, still got SMT at the lows, so I don't want to see closure below this this PDRA, to be honest, but we got that closure, so that means price is still bearish, overly bearish. Hold on. Wait, okay, now I'm watching this. It's 9:51. 9:51. What did we do? 9:51. We take out this low. Boom. Take out that low. Let's see what's that looking like. Okay, right now we have SMT with ES. Wait, yep. SMT. Like right now, this is an A+ setup. So boom, reacting off of this hourly BISI, SMT at the lows. No, it's not the right one. So SMT at the lows, drop down to lower time frame. We have this IFVG candle right here. Boom. So something like this. Something like this could be cool, but since it is 9:51 and I'd probably just wait for the 10 a.m. opens. I'm just checking right now to see if anything. Let me see. Okay. I'll wait for that 10 a.m. open. So 9:51, but I do like this though. I'm not gonna lie, I do like this. But since we're so bearish, just selling off, and the way we reacted off of the CE of this PDRA, it just gives me more confirmation that price is going to reverse. So I'm anticipating that the 10 a.m. Is a reversal. So boom. Honestly, I'm gonna take a shot at this. This is A plus. I'm not gonna lie. A plus. Let's see my targets. Target could be this 3-minute high. It's a quick 1 to 2 real quick. Yep, you see, went straight there, but no entry. Don't entry. 1 more minute. So now it's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Let's see what happens. What did we leave behind? Didn't really leave too much. So boom. Let me look at the 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay. I still think we're bullish. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna hold you. Let me see. 3. Let me see a higher time frame. The highest time frame would be the 3-minute. Let me see. I just don't really like that RR though, to be honest. Like it would be 2 to. Okay, that's not bad. Boom. But just due to us having so many gaps, I want to target this one right here and have that as my entry still. Like I'm still bullish. So boom. I'm gonna just trail my stop a little bit. Trail my stop and target this high. Honestly, I could really go break even, but I'm gonna trail it to this low. Boom. And then there we go. Just like that. Just like that. Got my piece of the pie and yep. There we go. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me just break this down real quick. Let's break it down. We took out this hourly BISI and just respected the CE of that BISI just to the T. Like once you see that, it's barbecue chicken from there. Cause look at this 1 minute. Tap that and then just reacted off of it. So after we tapped and reacted off of it, we created this IFVG right here, this 1 minute. Price traded higher but did not take out this high. So that means we're still bullish. And so since we didn't take out the high, we came back, tapped into it again. Also, not a single body closure below. So reacted off of this beautifully, and then chopped around a little bit, and then took off. Pretty simple, straightforward. This shit happens every day, man. This shit happens every day. On to the next example. Boom. Fast forward to 9:30 or 9:29, and then determine my bias. So right now, just by looking at it, this high is our obvious draw on liquidity. Ooh, okay, so we also do have SMT. SMT at the highs. Okay, I see it. Boom, okay, that's cool. Now I'm gonna let the 9:30 candle print. So yeah, we trade higher. We're trading higher. I don't really see anything right now that we can use. Our draw is still higher. ES is going higher, so everything is just bullish. I'm just trying to look for ES's new target. Hourly, any targets on hourly? The nearest target is this high right here. Let me see. Yep, it's this one right here, this 4-hour high. So still got SMT at the highs. So I'm gonna just let this print a little bit. Okay, 9:30 is doing this thing. Just gonna be mindful of that, and then we're also inside of this 4-hour SIBI. But we reacted off of this, so boom. So right now, I'm still bullish just because of how because we reacted off of this 4-hour BISI. 4-hour, 1-hour BISI. So until price show me, you know what I'm saying, otherwise, then it's still bullish. Still bullish, but price is just overly choppy right now. Let me see something real quick, cause let me see. Like, to be honest, this could be a potential trade. Is IFEG. Let me see if the RR aligns. Something like this could be a potential trade. Like, this is bad at all. Like, I'm gonna take a shot at this. I'm gonna take a shot at that. That's another A setup, not A plus, but just an A setup. Okay. You know, I take that to the chin. Boom. 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. open. Boom. This setup. Okay. Really just not enough context behind it, to be honest. This is just more like a pattern trade, but boom. Oh, okay. I'm watching that. Let me see. We have SMT at the lows. Indeed we do. Boom. Okay. I see this 1 minute right here though. All right, let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out. Boom. Yes, sir. Like, oh man. Look how we reacted off of the CE again. This shit happens every day, bro. Yes, a little choppy. I'm not gonna lie, a little choppy, but hey, shit. If you're willing to, you know what I'm saying, will it through the storm, shit, you gonna come out on top every time. Boom. Yep. Perfect 1 to 2. Let me see. So just about an hour long trade. This is beautiful. And then next day, I'm showing y'all this shit happens every day, bro. Like damn near almost every day. Like it happens every day, but it won't be profitable every day, but you're gonna see it. And then you're just gonna build up the conviction to start taking this shit. Alright, so let the 930 candle print. Boom. Okay. What is ES doing? Bro, what the freak is that? What in the world is this price action, yo? Boom. So we took out this low. Shit, we going higher, nigga. Damn, what the? Yo, what is that? Nah, this shit look nasty. And we do got SMT at the lows as well. Bro, what the fuck am I looking at? Bullshit. 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 Boom. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be one of them days, huh? Oh, yeah, it's one of them days. Cause what the fuck is this? I'm just about to fast forward through the day. Let me see. 10 a.m. Do something. Okay. Bro. To be honest, this right here, it's a pattern trade, but look though, hear me out. SMT inside of the higher time frame PD array, 2 consecutive down close candles is our order block. 930 candle high, still haven't been hit yet. So I'm not gonna take this, but let's watch it play out. Hold on. We still good. Oh yeah, fuck no. Bro, it's 11 o'clock. This is the 930 candle open. Yeah, get me off of this shit. But look though, look how we're respecting this PD array. Let's watch this out even more. Oh, finally decided to break out. Oh, okay, it's probably, oh, this was Thanksgiving. Okay, it makes sense. I'm like, what the freak? But it makes sense. Straight barcode. All right, last example. I'm about to, bang! Hold on. 25, 28, 29. So boom skis. All right, still bullish. Next target will be this high. I like to mark out my next target. So boom. So boom skis. Drop down to the 1 hour. See if we're reacting off of anything. No. Yes on ES though. She like a fiesto. I meant fiesta. Alright, come on, let's see what's going on. Oh shit, drop down to the 1 minute so I can mark out my 9:30 open. 9:30 open. Took out this high. Did ES take out that high? We're like, probably like 2 ticks. 2 ticks from taking out that high. And it is Friday, so hold on. Let me look at the daily so I can know if it's gonna be a TGIF or not. Friday. And we're reacting off of this daily Sibby. But we do have this high though. Let me see. And if we were to TGIF. Okay, I like this reaction. I do like that reaction. I like it. Okay, so we do have this SMT here. 15-minute SMT. Oh, hourly SMT. Okay. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hourly SMT. Let me see what's going on at the highs. Yeah, I'm still bullish. Still bullish like no, just a little conflicting biases. Yeah, we have conflicting biases, but I am still bullish because this 15-minute is still holding up as well. So I'm, gotta be aware of that. So that 15-minute is still valid. So if we can get this inverse, this wouldn't be bad of a trade. I'm not gonna lie. Bad of a trade targeting this high. Let me see. Wait. What high is that? It's not high. That's our SMT. Hold on. Next high would be this one right here. So honestly, for Friday, I'm gonna give this shit a try. It might be a long shot, but I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see if we get this closure. And I'm also watching ES for any SMTs at the highs, because that can also disrupt how price moves. So boom, SMT, IFEG. Oh, let me see. Okay, I like that reaction. Okay, so we're just gonna. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do, huh? A little choppy. What time is it? It's 9:06 or 10:06. Let me mark out this 10 a.m. 10 a.m. opening. Okay, and we also, let me see. So boom, we're gonna break even. Break even. Fuck whatever else happens. If I get stopped out, it's all good. Risk-free trade. It's a Friday. I'm not really too worried. Boom. It looked like we're gonna get stopped out or just break even. Break even, but I want to see this play out though. Bang, nigga. What, it only took what, a couple hours? Yeah, damn, yeah. You would have had to hold this trade till, yep, till 1 o'clock. So from around like 9, yep, so from 9 to 1 o'clock. Like a 5-hour trade. But yeah, shit, it played out though. You gotta see this shit every day. Every single day. This shit happens, man. And it shit. And y'all seeing the journey right now. Y'all following along. Stay tuned, nigga. Stay tuned. But this was the last example for this session. Let me know if y'all have any questions in the comments. And I'm off this motherfucker, yo. Boom!